This video shows how to buy shares of Nextensa NV and confirms the search phrase, how to buy shares of Nextensa NV. Nextensa NV is listed on Euronext under the ticker NEXTA.BR. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to trade. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker NEXTA.BR to locate the Nextensa listing. Make sure the search result matches Nextensa NV and the Euronext exchange. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct stock. Verify the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker NEXTA.BR before proceeding. To invest, click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed as specified, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will request you add money before it confirms. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description for reference.